Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT questions. Here we've got a CAT 2018 RC question and we're going to go through it. Before you go through this particular question video, make sure you've solved the passage and you go through the passage analysis video. That's going to help you better understand this passage. Now the question at hand here in this particular case is actually a very easy one. According to the author Dubai, there is a specific context which has been mentioned here, and Dubai has only been mentioned once in the passage. So these are the easy ones to solve because you've got to just go back to the passage and refer to the lines. There is just one reference to Dubai. What is that reference? Cities such as Dubai, which is pledged to become the happiest city in the world, dream dream up ever more elaborate and intrusive ways. So this is the key word. They are intruding on your privacy. They are coming up with elaborate ways of collecting data on well-being to the point where there is now talk of using CCTV cameras to monitor facial expressions in public spaces. So you've got to just essentially pick an option which highlights this negative sentiment of elaborate and intrusive ways of collecting data on well-being. Option number D is on its way to becoming one of the world's happiest cities. It's not on the way of becoming one of the world's happiest cities. It's rather on the way to becoming one of the world's most intrusive cities in terms of collecting data on the well-being of individuals. Option number D is ruled out. Collaborates with Facebook to selectively influence its inhabitants' moods. Ruled out, not mentioned in the passage. There's no reference of Facebook and the way working together. Incentivizes companies that prioritize worker welfare. Again, not mentioned in the context of the passage. The only thing that's mentioned is more elaborate and intrusive ways of collecting data. A develops sophisticated technologies to monitor its inhabitants' state of mind. Absolutely valid, derived from this particular context. Only one option which comes close. Hence, it's an extremely easy fact-based question that you can solve within seconds, and you should. Hopefully so, you're clear with the question now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.